Did you know that the simple act of curling your lashes before applying mascara is a beauty secret that spans centuries? It's not just a modern trend, it's a technique rooted in history, evolving alongside our understanding of beauty and facial harmony. Let's take a journey back in time. In ancient Egypt, both men and women used tools to darken and define their eyes. While their methods were rudimentary, the goal was the same as ours today: to make the eyes appear larger, more expressive, and more captivating. The focus was always on drawing attention to the eyes, considered the windows to the soul. Fast forward to the Victorian era. A subtle, natural look was prized. Women would use heated tongs, the precursor to our modern eyelash curlers, to gently lift their lashes. This wasn't about drama, but about a delicate enhancement. A slight upward curve would open up the eyes, making them look brighter and more awake, without the appearance of wearing heavy makeup. This small lift was a clandestine way to adhere to a no-makeup makeup look, adding a touch of romance and innocence to their gaze. It was a secret weapon for looking effortlessly beautiful. Then came the golden age of Hollywood in the 1920s and 30s. Flappers and silver screen sirens like Clara Bow made bold, dramatic eyes the height of fashion. The eyelash curler, as we know it, was patented in this era, and it quickly became an essential tool. For the first time, curling lashes was a mainstream, celebrated step. Actresses needed their eyes to convey emotion to the back of the theater and on film. A dramatic curl, followed by layers of mascara, created that iconic, wide-eyed, doe-like look. This technique helped to define a whole generation of beauty. Now, why does this simple step make such a huge difference, and how does it relate to your face shape? It's all about geometry and light. When your lashes are straight, they can cast a tiny shadow over your eyes, making them appear smaller and more closed off. This is especially true for those with hooded eyes or moderate. By curling your lashes upwards, you are essentially lifting that shadow. You're creating an open vertical line that draws the eye upward, creating the illusion of a bigger, rounder, and more lifted eye area. Think of it like this: for a round face, curled lashes can add a vertical lift that helps to elongate the face's appearance. For a square or angular face, the soft upward curve of the lashes can add a beautiful softness, balancing out strong lines in the jaw or cheekbones. For heart-shaped faces, it draws attention to the eyes, balancing a wider forehead and a narrower chin. And for oval faces, well-curled lashes simply enhance your naturally balanced proportions, making your eyes the stunning focal point. It's a universal trick that works for everyone. The order of application is also crucial. Curling your lashes before mascara is non-negotiable. When you apply mascara first, it coats your lashes, and as it dries, it makes them more rigid and brittle. If you try to curl them after they're coated, you risk clamping down on these stiff lashes, which can cause them to break or even be pulled out. The mascara can also stick to the curler, creating a clumpy, messy look and potentially yanking out lashes when you release the clamp. It's a recipe for lash damage. When you curl your clean, bare lashes first, you are shaping them when they are at their most flexible. You get a clean, beautiful, and even curve. Then, when you apply mascara, it coats that perfectly formed shape, locking the curl in place for the entire day. The mascara acts as a setting agent for the curl you've just created. This method ensures your lashes stay lifted, separated, and clump-free. The result is a much more polished, professional, and eye-opening finish. It's the difference between lashes that look accidentally good and lashes that look intentionally stunning. So, the next time you're doing your makeup, take that extra 30 seconds. Gently position the curler at the base of your lashes, give it a few soft pulses, and then move it slightly up the lash for another pulse. This creates a natural curve, not a harsh L-shape bend. Then, apply your favorite mascara. You'll see the difference immediately. Your eyes will look brighter, more awake, and more defined. It's a tiny step with a massive impact, a timeless technique passed down through generations for a reason. It's the secret to truly making your eyes pop. Thanks for watching.